Welcome to Simon Says Trade. Today we're going to explain how we build a watch list. Overall, we are looking for stocks that are gapping up or down, with high volume during the pre-market. Here at Simon Says Trade, we use TradingView to build our watch list as their screener can be customized to our requirements. Now we'll show you how to build your own screener. First, click on Stock Screener and maximize the panel by clicking this icon. Here you will see every ticker listed in the United States. Let's start by choosing our filters to build the screener. We want to only look at common stock and preferred stock. Next, we want to filter out exchanges that do not list the most commonly traded stocks. So we exclude OTC, which means over the counter, as these are penny stocks traded with very thin volume and are susceptible to manipulation. That is a lesson for another day. Now, we want to look for stocks trading at prices above $15 as we prefer to trade larger cap stocks, which usually attract higher volume. The average daily volume filter for 10 and 30 days again removes those thinner stocks in order to avoid wider spreads during market hours. We will set a minimum of 1 million shares for both the 10-day and the 30-day average. Lastly, we want to see how much the stock has moved in the pre-market, and with how many shares traded. We do this by selecting pre-market change, and then inputting above, and typing in 40 cents. Then finding pre-market volume, and moving the slider across to 50,000. This will give us a great indication of how much interest there is in the stock and whether it will be worth watching during the open. If you want to scan for stocks that have gapped down, adjust the pre-market change to below and 40 cents. For now though, we will stick with stocks gapping up. As you can now see, we have a list of stocks that have moved at least 40 cents and with at least 50,000 shares. Next step is to create your watch list for the day. We recommend limiting this to around 4 to 6 of the best stocks. Any more than this and you will become overwhelmed. Over here on the right of the screener, we click this button, and then the drop down, and finally, Create Watch List, which we will name Gap List, and click Save. This is where we minimize the screener panel so we can see the daily chart. Here we are scanning through the list looking for gaps up, over bearish candles, or areas of resistance. So looking at Pinterest for example, we can see that it is gapping up almost completely over a red bar. This indicates strength. Immediately, this piques our interest and we will add it to our watch list. In order to add this stock to our watch list, we simply right-click on the stock's name in the screener, then click Add Selected Symbols to Watch List. So, to wrap this lesson up, we want to fill our watch list with stocks that have higher than average recent volume and are of unusual interest in the pre-market, combined with an extremely attractive daily chart. If you enjoyed this video, and want to see more, please like and subscribe. Happy trading and see you next time.